0.05 divided by 100,000. 10, 100,000, 10,000, then 100,000. 100,000 means 10 to the power 5 means 100,000. These are called power of 10. Of course, positive. To divide a decimal by power of 10, just count the number of zeros in the power of 10 and move the decimal point from right to left equal to that number of zeros. Uh, Division means repeated subtraction, and in repeated subtraction the value of dividend will be decreased. That is, decimal point will move from right to left. Here number of zeros is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you need to move decimal point 5 places from right to left. 1 place, placeholder 0, 2 place, placeholder 0, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here. So decimal 0.0000005. You can add here one more 0 to mean that this is less than 1. So our answer is this 0.0000005.